Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have a very exciting news on the tech front. iOS 17.0.3 is now live and ready for download. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to download it, or if it's not showing on your iPhone, so I will tell you how to fix this. So guys, in the latest iOS 17.0.3 update brings several improvements and fixes to enhance your overall user experience, from performance to bug fixes. Apple has been hard at work to ensure your device runs smoothly. Additionally, there are some new features and optimization that you won't want to miss. First of all, for updating your iPhone to the iOS 17.0.3, simply have to tap on your settings, then go to General, then tap on Software Update, wait for some seconds, and the update will show. Simply you can update now, or you can update tonight. If it's not showing, then you have to check you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. You have to make sure you have a strong signals or Wi-Fi or cellular data. After this, and you're still facing the same issue that update is not showing, then you have to restart your iPhone. For doing this, simply you have to go to your general, then tap on shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to check your date and time. For doing this, you have to tap on your general, and scroll down and you can see your option date and time. Simply tap on it and simply set it to set automatically. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After applying this all method and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset network settings. For doing this, simply you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.